My name is Azmiya. I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia. Very informative and very educated me because before I joined that course, I don't know how what is AA in real world and real implementation. But after AA course, I think I can imagine how AA in applicate in daily life. He can explain to students how the AA means, AA as in definition, and EA in applicate and integrate in technology. I have idea to make some application, mobile apps to develop consumer with a new technology with AA. Consumer can scan the nutrition information, and they can decide after that this is a good consume or not. So they can get right of consumer right. Because I think technology is very closely with us, because why women have to choose AI, because they have to with the work we have to friendly with something good or something improvement from technology and lifestyle.